So welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. So I'm just going to go straight to it. We're going to go to our what's called this image. So we're going to go to camera filter, choose another filter. Then when it's open, this is exactly how camera filter should appear on your Photoshop. Now it's basic. So the first thing we're going to be doing is the temperature. I'm just going to move the temperature a little bit to make the picture a little bit warm. So I don't really like to play with the tints. I'm just going to adjust it a little bit. Now this exposure will show how exposed your picture is. I feel my picture is a little bit exposed, so I'll reduce it a little more. I'm just going to skip the contrast, move to the highlights. This highlight targets where the light is bouncing in the image. So if you see the before and after, it's making a really good effect already. Picture. Now I love reducing my white to make the feel of white calm down. Now reduce the black a little bit. Yeah, so I'm going to move to the vibrance where we can add a little bit of color. Yeah, just a little bit. Then we'll increase the saturation to a little bit, because if it's too much, it tends to spoil the pictures. So we'll increase it. Yeah. So I'm going to go to our curve. This curve I'm only going to do with the highlights. We are not touching any part of the colors, so we'll just adjust it to the preferable levels of our picture. You can see I only target the down parts, the middle parts. There's only those 3 layers I like to touch. If we touch every other places. So I'm just going to give my image a little more details. So after that, we'll come to color, increase the blue, and I'm only dealing with saturation here. So you can see that it's just going to add more image, more color to the. Now some people prefer their yellows to be dim, but for this image I'm just going to make it pop out a little bit because of the tutorial video. But if personally I'd have loved to make the yellow a little bit down, but for the sake of this tutorial I'm going to increase it a little bit. So I'll allow it to go to luminance and brighten up the orange to make our face a little bit brighter. Yeah. So the yellow too, can adjust it a little bit. Alright. Then I think we're good to go. Now this color grading aspects, I'm only going to deal with the highlights. I like to increase the highlights a little bit more. Just a little bit. Then we'll change the color field to blue. Just a little bit of blue feel, because I really like blue. Blue is like my favorite color. So yeah, you can go with whatever you want, sha. So this optics, people tend to use it for some kind of effect, but I'm not going to use it in this tutorial. So yeah, just a little bit of vignette. Yeah. Then go to geometry. I'm just going to add a little bit of grains there. Then click OK. And you can see our pictures is well. You can see the before and the after. You can see how sharp the cloud is. Then all the color profile and everything. Thanks for watching, guys. I really appreciate it.